When you're starting a business, you're probably freaking out a little bit about what platforms you're going to use. This is especially true if you're starting a membership business, an online website. You're sifting between hosted platforms, WordPress, and different WordPress plugins. In today's demo, I want to show you how you can completely test drive a WordPress membership site built with Paid Memberships Pro for free in just a few seconds and get a site launched that you can play around with. This is a big differentiator for Paid Memberships Pro as compared to other membership plugins that are not open source and require you to pay to even get started and see what the tool is like on the inside. You're going to be using your membership platform a lot, the admin and the front end of the site, so you want to make sure that it's something you're comfortable with, that comes naturally and is built for you. There's a few ways that we have tutorials for making a demo site for Paid Memberships Pro. One of the ways is using a tool called LocalWP. We have a whole blog post I'll link in the description below, but the tool I want to show you today is called InstaWP. Our team built demo sites out for the most popular use cases for Paid Memberships Pro. The one I'm going to show today is a general use case. It's not any one specific focus, just a general membership site. I call it my Must Love Dogs demo site, and you see me using it on a lot of the tutorials here. So let's walk through how you can set one up for yourself and start playing with the admin. This is the site. I'm just going to show you. It's try.pmproplugin.com. If you go to that URL, you'll see this banner at the top. Launch your own free version of this demo. If you click through to launch the demo, add your email address and proceed. We don't do anything with that email address. You're not getting added to any list. It's only so that it can email you your admin login via a magic login link so that you can use that in the future to come back to your site. These sites do expire in 12 hours, so they're not a permanent site. But if you email us via the contact form, we can trigger your site to stay online and stay more permanent if you're still playing around with it. So the site's already generated here. I'll just click this magic login link, and that will automatically log me into this WordPress site that's built just for me. No one else is logging into this or using it, so you don't have to worry about anyone getting involved. You can use this just like any other WordPress site. Look here, WordPress 6.3. It just came out today. So you can update the core version of WordPress. It really is a complete playground for you for your membership site. So you can run upgrades just like that. Can go back in. Let's see what else is out of date in this demo site. A core WordPress theme. We're not using that in this demo. So if I click through to the front, it's going to look exactly like the demo we cloned it from. You can click around and see the membership plans on the site. You can go through and do a test checkout. We do have test checkout disabled, but if you want to enable it for your demo site, I'll show you how to do that. So it really is a complete site. You as the admin are already a member of the site. You can log in, and we have our courses plugin on this and all that stuff. So let's show you in the admin what you can do. It doesn't come with a license key, but you'll see here if you're in the admin, you get the full membership dashboard for Paid Memberships Pro. A list of fictitious members we have pre-populated for you to see what it would feel like to navigate around and say, oh, I just want to see, how can I filter my members list? Great. How can I sort people in this members list? Is that a feature I'm going to need in my membership site? You can view historic orders. This order is for a test user checkout, reports, all the things. You can change settings. Get familiar with adding levels, which is not something you're going to do a lot, but you want to make sure that the plugin you're choosing has all the features you need to support how customized your membership level setup is going to be. You can play around with things like discount codes, custom email templates, test and see, are you going to be able to customize things in the way you want to? This is an example email that's sent to members when their billing information has been changed, all different ones. You can get a feel for our user fields feature here, which allows you to collect custom fields at checkout, on the user's profile, or for admins only. So lots of customization there, as well as restricting fields by membership level. So a lot of membership sites do this. They have custom fields that they only want to offer to their most top tier members. And then lower tier members, they don't collect that information. Conversely, in Paid Memberships Pro's site, we ask a little bit more profile information of the people creating a free user account on our site than we do for the paid people, because we know we'll be interacting with the paid people a little bit more through support and learning about their needs and their website. But the free users, we want to just kind of get a baseline of where are you at in the stage of building a membership site. So we do have a couple questions that we exclusively ask of our free member levels. So you can totally do that too. I'm going to show you some of the plugins that are installed in this site currently. This is all WordPress core. So if you've not used WordPress before, this will also give you a little bit of a playground for how WordPress functions. We have an avatar plugin that we're also the authors of. Code snippets is a tool we like to use to install little things that customize and extend the membership site. I'm actually using it in this demo site to add that banner across the top. and to restrict checkout so that these demo sites don't get spam user registrations. I have a basic free contact form plugin, our Memberlite Elements and Memberlite Shortcodes plugin, which are companion plugins to using Memberlite Theme. If you don't want to use Memberlite for your membership site, you don't have to. You can actually test drive other themes right in this demo site also. We have Paid Memberships Pro, and we have 3 of our paid level add-ons, so it'll let you get a test of those as well. The Advanced Levels Page Shortcode add-on, which you saw that 3-column pricing page that we showed. Our Courses for Membership add-on, that's a free one available in WordPress.org. A Member Directory add-on, if you want to see what that looks like here on the front end of this site. That's this directory here, which has these individual profile grids and then single pages per member. You'll see with these fancy permalinks that include the user's username. Our Member Directory add-on we talked about, our Membership Card add-on, and then User Switching is a plugin I just like to use in a membership site. It really helps me as admin test drive being other users in the site. So that is a free plugin in WordPress.org. I put it on here so that you could navigate and say, oh, I want to view the site as this professional level member. If you're on the all users list, hover over a user and you'll see that field switch too. So just like any other WordPress site, let's say you wanted to test drive a new WordPress plugin. Let's say you were like, I don't want the default courses. I want to install LifterLMS. You could do that right through this admin. Anything else that's available for free in WordPress.org can be installed and used here. It's going to take me through the setup wizard. We don't have to do that for this demo. So that's plugins. You could also change the theme, like I said. It might look a little funky if we do it, but let's go into the WordPress popular themes. Hello Elementor, Astra. Let's say, okay, let's see. We want to see how does Paid Memberships Pro look with Astra theme. So you can definitely install that or preview the theme and play around with it before you decide that Paid Memberships Pro is the right fit for you for your membership site. So that's InstaWP. Again, you would just go to try.pmproplugin.com, enter your email address. We don't capture it. We don't use it anywhere. It's only used to send you that magic login link. And you'll have 12 hours to play around with a Paid Memberships Pro site. If it expires, just launch and spin up a new one. There's no limit for testing that out. And you'll even get to see how I've set things up here. A little bit of a custom landing page. How did I go about creating this look and feel? How did I create this testimonial section and pull these blog posts in? So a lot of this is core WordPress. There's no other page builders in there. It's just the Gutenberg block editor. So I'm Kim Coleman. I hope you enjoyed this demo and I hope you check it out. Go to try.pmproplugin.com. We're super proud that our product is fully open source and that we give you test drives like this to help you make the most informed choice for what you build your business with.